Elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals found on the earth. An impressive fact, especially as there are roughly 6.5 million terrestrial species smaller than them. Found in Africa and Asia, their towering presence is one of many striking attributes. Massive ears, sturdy legs, impressive tusks, and their famous trunk, a multi-purpose tool that can shift heavy objects, draw water, and affectionately greet family and friends. Sharing, caring creatures, the entire herd helps to raise any new additions, teaching these giant babies or calves the ways of the elephant world. A world they can explore for 6 or 7 decades.